This is the Slice 10503 Auto-Retractable Box Cutter with a Slice ceramic blade. It features a unique J-hook design that protects your hand while you're using it. It could also be hooked on a nail, placed on a lanyard, or hooked outside your pocket, so the blade is outside your pocket, not inside your pocket. This box cutter features the Slice 10404 ceramic replacement blade, which is used in the majority of our products. All the Slice ceramic blades last up to 10 times longer than steel, they never rust, they're non-magnetic, non-sparking, and non-conductive. And unlike traditional metal blades, they have no oil coating. They're much safer to the touch compared to traditional metal blades due to our proprietary sharpening and manufacturing process. They're infinitely safer to hold and use versus metal, and they have a rounded tip for added safety. The blade depth of this product was designed specifically for double-walled and single-walled corrugated. You don't need a 2-inch blade when you're cutting less than a ½ an inch of corrugated. Less blade means less injuries. When the front and the back of the box cutter are placed parallel to what you're cutting, it acts as an extension of your hand, self-guiding and providing a full depth of cut. The Slice box cutter features a convenient blade storage in the rear handle. Slice ceramic replacement blades are finger-friendly. They require pressure to obtain the cut. Therefore, blade change is no longer a risky activity. Changing the blade on the Slice box cutter requires no tools. Simply remove the top cover, extend the slider button, and flip the blade to the other side. By using Slice ceramic blades instead of traditional metal blades, you'll have fewer blade changes, less downtime, lower costs, and most importantly, a safer working environment.